Namaste, Khusrao Betia. I Divyan Varsa Singh from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today we will discuss about what is data warehousing. Actually, data warehousing is used in big data. So, a data warehousing is a process for collecting and managing data from varied sources to provide meaningful businesses insight. A data warehouse is typically used to connect and analyze business data from heterogeneous sources. The data warehouse is the core of the BI business industry system, which is built for data analysis and reporting. Data warehousing is like just your server. It collects it collects the data from various type of sources and then analyze the data and which is built for data analysis and then it's reporting. It is a blend of technologies and components which adds the strategic use of data. It is an electronic storage of large amount of information by a business which is designed for a query and analysis instead of transaction process. So it is a process of transforming data into information and making it available to users in a timely manner to make a difference. That means data warehouse makes it possible to retrieve the informatic and you can say the relevant data and make it possible for the user to use their data efficiently. So today in this session we will also understand how data warehouse works and also we will see the history of data warehouse. So first we discussed history of data warehouse. Data warehouse Data warehouses benefits users to understand and enhance their organization performance. The need to warehouse data evolved as computer system became more complex and needed to handle increasing amount of information. However, data warehousing is not a new thing. Here are some key events which is in evaluation in the data warehouse. Evolution of data warehouse. In 1960, Dartmouth and General Mills in a joint research project developed the term dimensions and fact. In 1970, dimensional data merits for retail sale. So, data warehouse is not a new term, it is used before the 1960. So, however, the real concept was given by the Inmon Bill. He was considered as a father of data warehouse. He had written about a variety of topics for building, usage, and maintenance of the data warehouse and the corporate information factory. Now we will see how data warehouse works. A data warehouse works as a central repository where information arrives from one or more data sources. Data flows into a data warehouse from the transactional system and other relational databases. So data may be a structured, semi-structured and unstructured data. The data is a process transformed and ingested so that users can access the process data in the data warehouse through business intelligence tools, SQL, clients and spreadsheet. A data warehouse merges information coming from different sources into one comprehensive database. By merging all of this information in one place, an organization can analyze its customer more holistically. This helps to ensure that it has considered all the information available. Data warehouse makes data mining possible. Data mining is looking for pattern in the data that may lead to higher sales and profits. So this is all about this session. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital session version 2.0 is provided by Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. In further session, we will discuss about other some informatic related topic of data warehouse. So thank you class for joining this session. I hope you like my session. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. Thank you, class.